In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the command prompt tool in Windows 10. The command prompt tool has many functions. In this video, I will be showing 3 of the most useful functions. I will be releasing other videos where I will go much deeper. This video is just meant to be a high-level overview. To open the command prompt, click the Start button and type in the word CMD. Depending on the commands you are running, you may need to run command prompt as an administrator. In this video, we will not need to do so simply click on the command prompt to open. The first command we are going to look at is the ipconfig command. This is used to view the status of your network connections. To run the command, simply type in ipconfig and press enter. From here you will see 3 important pieces of information: your IP address, your subnet mask, and your default gateway. Please note that if you are connected behind a router, your IP address shown will be your local IP address and not your public WAN IP address. To get more detailed information, we can add modifiers to the command. For this example, we are going to enter ipconfig/all. This will show additional information, including your DNS server settings, DHCP lease information, and the MAC address of your network adapter. The next command we are going to look at is the ping command. The ping command is an extremely useful tool in testing your network connection. It is also useful for troubleshooting. To use the ping command, type in the word ping, followed by the IP address or domain name that you wish to ping. If the pings are successful, you will get 4 responses with their time listed in milliseconds. If the pings are unsuccessful, you will get either a timeout error or a destination host unreachable error. The next command we are going to talk about is the traceroute command. The traceroute command shows each hop between your computer and the server you are connecting to. To use the traceroute command, type in traceRT. You can then enter either a domain name or an IP address and then press enter. You will get a response back from each router situated between you and your destination server. In some cases, you may see a hop with no information listed. This is completely normal and has to do with how the router is configured on that hop. When it completes, you will get a message saying trace complete. This is a high-level look at 3 of the most useful command prompt tools. Now for the bonus command that I promised you at the beginning of the video. This command is the Netstat command. To run the command, simply type in Netstat and press enter. The Netstat command shows a list of all active network connections. It also shows the port number on which they are communicating. I will be releasing future videos where we will go much deeper into the use of these command line tools. If you got value out of this video, please consider dropping a like.